ERPs are there in the market. Some of the ERPs are called standard ERP and some of the ERPs are called customized ERP. Okay.
Hello.
Okay guys, so I was just talking about leading ERPs in the market. So whatever ERP I have mentioned here, SAP, Oracle, JD Edward, BAN, Epicor, PeopleSoft, Navision, Tally, these all ERP called standard ERP. Standard ERP means SAP. Take example of SAP itself. Wherever you go throughout the world, everywhere the same screen, same configuration step, same transaction codes will be there. Same platform is there. There is no change at all, not even a single %. Okay. The changes will be during configuration. Of course, that whatever tax related configurations are there, it will differ country to country. Apart from this, everywhere almost same thing is there, same screen, same configuration steps, everything is there. If we talk about customized ERP, like let's suppose there is an organization called XYZ Limited. Now that organization is having their specific requirement. Some people SAP went there and they are going to say that no, we can deliver you only 90% of your requirement, remaining 10%. For that you can use a different tool. It depends upon client. If client is agreed, it's okay. If they are saying no, I want to use only one tool. So what will happen? Then some different IT company will approach and they will say that we are going to deliver 100% of the requirement, but we have to develop a particular ERP for you which is going to meet all of your requirement. So that particular ERP is going to be developed for that particular client as per their requirement. Okay, so that is called a customized ERP. As per their requirement, we have developed something, the screen, the colors, the fields, everything will be different. Okay. Now, so customized ERP means it is organization specific. In the sense, for a particular organization, we have developed certain ERP that is called customized ERP. Standard ERP is nothing but industry specific. If any development or any changes or anything is happening in SAP, they are looking at industry wise, for manufacturing, for service, for different industries. So whatever organizations are there which is coming under manufacturing, they are going to cover every organization in that. Okay. So likewise, we are having so many of ERP in the market, customized or standard. In a standard, of course, SAP hold the first place. Now, there will be another topic, different modules in SAP. If you talk about SAP, it doesn't mean that entire SAP you are going to learn. SAP has been divided, SAP has been divided into smaller like modules, parts. We cannot be expert of each and every module because every module is just like ocean, lots of things you have to learn. Now, so if you talk about modules of SAP, that is going to be subdivided into two, that is functional module and technical module. There will be a detailed explanation about this functional and technical. There are few people who has done this SAP already out of you all. So for those people, it's easy to understand the difference between functional and technical. For remaining people, I'll cover it later. There will be a separate class on that. Okay. Now, so here a few example I have given in functional module like FI, CO, SD, MM. These are the module which comes. Apart from this, PP, QM, PS. So many other modules are also there. Technical module I have kept like ABAP and BASIS because these two modules I have to explain. Okay, so here I was just different modules I have explained just now. So guys, whatever I have covered, that is just an introduction part. Okay, now here this is an important topic, SAP project and its types, which you should know, because if you're going to join any organization, people will come, they'll say that, hi, welcome on board, you are going to be part of so and so project. So you should be able to understand if they're going to say that you are going to be part of implementation project. Now you should be able to understand what is happening in implementation project. First of all, what is the meaning of this implementation project? Okay, so project and its types. Now project is nothing but task or assignment. Whatever task, whatever assignment we receive, that is treated as a project. Uh, any sort of assignment, it differs in terms of, person to person. For engineers or even, army personnels and then students, everybody will have certain activities or assignments. Even like when you people do MBA and all, you are going to receive some kind of assignment or task from your college, that is called during summer vacation and all, that go to market, do some survey and all, that is also treated as a project itself. Now we are going to talk in terms of SAP. So here in SAP also, whatever requirement we receive from client side, that is a task or assignment that is given by client, and that task or assignment is treated as a project. So we are having four types of project in SAP. The first one is implementation, second one is rollout, third one is upgrade, and fourth one is support project. Now one by one I'll explain what is this implementation project, what is this rollout project, what is this upgrade project, what is this support project. Now, if you talk about implementation project, so initially I have taken example of Tata Motor. So here I am going to continue the same. Now Tata Motor is going to use, like let's suppose they are using Tally as a current ERP, in the sense current software. With the help of Tally, they are going to manage all their transactions. Whatever transactions are there, they are going to record in Tally itself. Let's suppose earlier people used to maintain the registers. Whatever sales related, all the transactions are there, they are going to maintain sales registers. Okay. Right now, what is happening? They started using some ERP. So they started using Tally. Now, since the Tata Motor business is keep on growing, keep on increasing their revenue, their entire things are keep on increasing, number of employees, management size and everything. So now they are not able to manage their business with Tally ERP. So what they have to do? They decided to go for a bigger platform. So this bigger platform is, like, they have decided to go for SAP itself. So here SAP is going to be installed for Tata Motor first time. So if any organization where SAP is going to be installed first time, okay, that project is called implementation project. In the sense, fresh or first time installation of SAP in any organization is treated as an implementation project. If somebody says that, hi, you are going to be part of implementation project, it means in that organization we have to install this SAP, we have to implement this SAP first time. So in implementation project we have to, let's suppose we have to follow like 100% of the steps. Most of the things we are going to do. Now, the same I have given here in definition also. First time installation of SAP in any organization is called implementation project. Entire implementation project is further segregated in 5 phases. That is going to be discussed later after this class. Tomorrow onwards I'll discuss on that. So implementation is first time installation. Okay guys, installation of SAP doesn't mean that it's going to get over within 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. It takes 8 months, 9 months, 7 months minimum, and it takes years together also. Depends upon the size of the organization. So what we are going to do over there? Generally, installation of SAP for that organization, it doesn't take much time. Basis consultant in the sense